Hey, to change wallpaper on the Redmi Watch 4, you can actually do this in a few ways. The first one, you can actually do this straight into your watch by changing the watch face. So we have to click on the side button. Now from this, we'll have to actually go into the settings and go into the watch faces. Select watch faces. And from here, we can actually find a few of them. There's actually 6 different watch faces. So if I want to get for this one, I have to just click on it, and as you can see, here I have the different wallpaper. But you can also set some pictures. And how to do this, we have to actually get the Mi Fitness application. And from this, we'll have to navigate into the Manage Watch Faces. We can actually download something from this recommended watch faces, but if you want to get only picture, you have to click on the custom one. And now let's say that I want to get the photo display 4. Click on it. Now I can simply transfer it into the watch by clicking apply. So now it's actually installing. If I click on the watch, there we go. After a few seconds, I've got this picture. So as you can see, that's how it looks. And when I scroll down, I can actually find some other pictures. I can also get some slideshow. If I click here, I can go into the gallery and pick something from my gallery, like for example, this photo. From here, I can also resize. Maybe let's get the face of the Harry Potter. Click continue. Now I can click apply and take a look. After a few moments, I will get it straight on my watch. And here it is. Take a look. So that's how we can do this. Right now, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.